Okay, Hadley, can you sing the song now?
Yes.
Sing Rain, Rain, Go Away.
Wait! Shoes!
Oh, you need shoes? But can you sing your song?
No, shoes!
Okay, here, put on the boots.
Boots?
Okay, 1, 2.
He's right. No,
And hold your umbrella.
no. Oh, he's down.
Oh, Hadley needs to sit down? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, put in your shoe. 1.
Two.
Okay, ready to sing your song?
No.
Yeah. It's all ready. We're ready for hearing the song.
No. Two bananas.
2 umbrellas?
Yes.
Okay, first sing your song and then we'll get it.
Okay. How do you sing your song? Okay, dance.
Okay, Hadley, sing Rain, Rain, Go Away. Ready, go.
Go.
Rain, rain.
Go away. Come on. Hey, banana.
Little. Hadley, can you sing your song? Rain, rain, go away.
Banana.
See your umbrella? Yeah, it's lots of colors. I really want you to sing this cute song.
Banana.
You want McKenna to have an umbrella?
Yes. Banana.
Her purple umbrella? Hadley, what does the song say?
No,
I
banana.
really don't know where McKenna's umbrella is. Can you please sing the song, baby, please?
No, then.
No song.
Banana.
Okay.